Is it worth including LinkedIn in your property's marketing strategy? I will share benefits and tips for a LinkedIn company page to help you decide. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Gerry MacPherson. Many hospitality properties owners and managers, hotels, inns, resorts, and bed and breakfasts I have spoken with feel that LinkedIn is a platform they don't need to be on, due to the fact that LinkedIn is an online social network for business professionals, and this may be the case for some properties. It's different from other social networking sites because it's designed specifically for professional networking. For example, finding a job, discovering sales leads, connecting with potential business partners. So why should you, as a hospitality property owner or manager, consider using LinkedIn as a social media platform? How about if you want to attract other businesses? For example, business travelers, meeting room rentals, company parties, suppliers, looking for quality employees, just to name a few. Check out these stats. There are over 65 million business professionals from around the world on LinkedIn. The average LinkedIn member has an average annual household income of $109,000. One person creates a LinkedIn login every second. Nearly 50% of LinkedIn members have decision-making authority for their companies. For a hospitality property wanting to grow through networking, referrals, or mentorship, it's easy to see why LinkedIn is the place to be. Like other forms of internet marketing, marketing your hospitality property on LinkedIn is inexpensive. Here's how to get started. Learn how LinkedIn works. Create a LinkedIn login if you're not already a member. Create a great LinkedIn profile that focuses on your property and how it can help other members of LinkedIn. Create a company page for your property. You'll have the opportunity to set up a business page as you complete the resume section of your LinkedIn profile. Your company page will be automatically linked from your resume in your profile. With these LinkedIn basics in place, you can get started on marketing yourself and your business to LinkedIn members. After a word from our sponsor, I'm going to share with you how you can benefit from a LinkedIn company page. Do you have an independent hospitality property, a hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, and at times feel overwhelmed with all you have to do? Do you find yourself doing everything from checking guests in, to marketing, to looking for the right people to work for you, to cleaning toilets and everything in between? What happens when things become hectic? Do you feel stressed? Do you find it difficult to plan for the future when your only concern is how to get the rooms ready for the new arrivals? So what can you do? You have to get organized. You have to learn the strategies that'll make you more effective. Wouldn't it be great to learn the techniques the big brand hospitality properties use and to work like you have a full organizational structure supporting you? If the answer is yes, your next question might be, how do I do this? Well, if you can make the time and have the extra funds, many universities and colleges offer hospitality training programs. Or you can learn from those who've gone through all your problems and see how they have streamlined their business. You can do this by becoming a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. The benefits of this group include helping your hospitality property to gain a clear vision, help set up your organizational structure, help set up your brand, help your social media strategy, help create an atmosphere to hire the right employees, help grow your business. The Hospitality Property School Group is designed to share knowledge, tips, and techniques to like-minded hospitality property owners and managers who might not have the benefit of having an entire organization to support them. If you are looking for ways to streamline your business, learn how to set up an organizational strategy, to hire and keep the right employees, and to increase your bookings and profit, then visit KeystoneHospitality Development.com/membership-site and explore the Hospitality Property Group for an entire week for only $1. We guarantee you'll find tips and techniques that you can begin using right away to help start improving your bookings and profit. But don't just take my word for it. Explore yourself for an entire week for only $1. That's KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before the break, I said I was going to share information about a LinkedIn company page. Here are some of the benefits of a LinkedIn company page. 1. A LinkedIn company page provides your property with the opportunity to tell your business's story, engage with followers, share career opportunities, and scale your word-of-mouth marketing. It's also an equally effective tool for generating new business leads and nurturing referral relationships. 2. Creating quality, shareable content that benefits your readers. Your viewers will become engaged advocates of your company and expand your global reach and influence. If you have quality information about your property and region, share it. Post as many status updates as your content supports. You will reach more of your audience and extend your reach as you post more often. Strive to publish authentic and relative posts to encourage viral likes, shares, and comments. Posts that feel like spam will not get shared and in fact could result in your business losing followers. 3. With LinkedIn company pages, you can introduce new package deals or services that your property offers and explain how your customers will benefit. According to the Marketing Tech blog, the top 5 reasons why people follow brands on social media are promotion and discounts, latest products information, customer service, entertaining content, and the ability to offer feedback. More than half of the vendors say they have generated sales through LinkedIn. 4. You can differentiate yourself from your competitors. On LinkedIn, you can use your company's description to emphasize how you stand out from your competitors. Include company news and share information about your property's culture to reach potential new customers or even hires and convey your company's values, mission, and vision. If you would like to get your own copy of the How LinkedIn Works and Benefits of a Company page download, visit the show notes at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC133. 5. Finding employees who can make a significant contribution to your property's success. LinkedIn profiles reveal valuable information about people seeking jobs at your company, including their stability, their record of successful accomplishments, and their passion for what they do. By hiring and retaining these employees, your company will benefit from their expertise and energy. 6. Checking on what your competition is doing. By visiting the company pages of comparable properties and your competition, it's easier to monitor changes in your industry and track what your competition has accomplished. Monitoring the social media content strategies of other companies on a regular basis will help you identify trends and opportunities for talent acquisition and growth areas in your business. 7. Improving your ranking in search engines. Google and other search engines rank LinkedIn companies and posts highly in the search engine result pages. So adding updates to your company page and optimizing posts for SEO will help improve your performance in the search result pages. As a result, your property's website will see an increase in visitor traffic. By tailoring your LinkedIn content to suit your intended audience and managing LinkedIn wisely, you'll enhance your hospitality property's opportunity to build relationships, generate bookings, and attract talented members to join your team. Does this make sense so far? Let me know with a yes or a no in the comment section below. LinkedIn for your hospitality property, tips and ideas. Just because you build a company page doesn't mean followers are going to come. You can boost your chances of success with the following LinkedIn for business tips and strategies. 1. Encourage your employees and colleagues to connect with your property's LinkedIn page. They are your best resort to start growing an audience. According to LinkedIn, employees have an average 10 times more first-degree connections than a company has followers. And companies with a strong employee advocacy program in place are 58% more likely to attract top talent and 20% more likely to retain them. 2. Publish valuable content. The best way to grow your audience and to keep your followers is to provide them with the best value by posting articles or your property's updates on a regular basis. LinkedIn recommends at least once per weekday. In addition to appearing on your company page, your posts will appear in each of your followers' news feeds. 3. Include rich media. Yes, LinkedIn is business first, but you still need to make your content stand out from the crowd. And text-only posts are not the way to do that. LinkedIn figures showed that posts with an image included get 98% more comments. 4. Take advantage of LinkedIn groups. Being an active participant in a LinkedIn group can help you and your business network with other professionals and businesses, especially those outside of your immediate circle of current and present colleagues, classmates, and employees. Participating in a group discussion will also attract views to your company page. 5. Try showcase pages. Showcase pages function like subdomains on your company page, allowing you to spotlight specific areas of your business, like a particular brand or ongoing initiative. LinkedIn members can choose to follow one or more of your spotlight pages if they are particularly interested in a specific aspect of your company. You can create up to 10 showcase pages by default. 6. Go global with multi-language tool. If you have customers, or you want to have customers in countries where English is not the primary language, you can create custom descriptions of your company in 20 different languages. The appropriate description will appear for each LinkedIn member based on the language settings they have chosen when viewing the network. You can set your company's name to appear in these languages as well. 7. Understand the LinkedIn algorithm. While most other social networks keep their algorithm secrets closely guarded, LinkedIn provides quite a bit of information about how its algorithm works. 8. Incorporate LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn members provide the network with detailed information about their professional interests, associations, and skills. That means LinkedIn has exceptional targeting capabilities, allowing you to make laser-focused strategic decisions about incorporating LinkedIn ads into your social media marketing strategy. In conclusion, by adding LinkedIn to your marketing strategy, you can help expand your network, find guests, create a professional image for you and your property. Even if you don't think LinkedIn can work for your business, it's worth a tour to check out how others in your field are maximizing what LinkedIn has to offer. As a networking resource, LinkedIn can give you connections that can lead to publicity, more work, and other great business growing advantages. Do you know about the 6-Day Challenge? We want to challenge you. The 6-Day Challenge is a free video series with many actionable tips and techniques that you can take and use to help improve your property's patronage and profit. Whether you're operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there's always something new you can learn. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. It is important as a hospitality property owner or manager that you never stop learning. So what have you got to lose? Are you up for the challenge? Sign up below to get immediate access to the first video. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're going to employ any of the procedures. You can support this free podcast by leaving us a review and giving a 5-star rating in the Apple Podcast Store or wherever you happen to be listening to it. Every review helps more people find the podcast. If you know someone who might gain from the video, go ahead and share it. Make sure to hit the like button. All feedback is appreciated. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your attention, and let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.